Action! Welcome to Mix, your choice, your VJ Marlon. Reporting to you your favorite songs from top 20 to top 9. I have to name tapos yung pala picture lang yan. I have to name my celebrity guest, Mr. Kevin Maligo.
Mr. Kevin.
How are you doing now?
Yan ang mga tanga yan.
Today, I like to eat banana. Banana to, what's your latest album? I like banana. Your latest album is I like banana. So he's the greatest reggae of this time. So a three-time reggae, Mr. Yeah. So
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What's up, man?
So for anything else, I would like to
Wala na, basta English.
20th song. It's entitled I Like Banana by
Yung ano na lang, even if the same.
Even if, yeah.
Ganun ba? May baguhan na yun.
So, nag-change po tayo sa chart. Even if, game. 5, 6, 7, go!
Even if the sun refuses to shine, even if the living do,
Ay, ako pa sumalo na yun.
even if the ocean
Eh, ano mo ba? Napupuro ulo. Pinaturo. Ang sumalo na. Pan.
Okay, that's the 20th song today. So, naiiyak po siya.
Okay, delete niya na.
Hindi yan nagbibidyo. Nagtitipan lang tayo yan.
Hindi, binibidyo nga.
May video.
Mama naman, i-stop mo
I
na.
like banana.
Isang liguan dito tayo niyan.
Hindi, makakanain pa rin. Kaso, tigas. Hoy, nagbibidyo pa rin yan.
Oo.
Ito, ano natin. Teka lang. Ito ang sabi. Ang basigla. Titignan mo ang kulay niya. Masarap. Oh! Ang yum-yum!
Styling and coloring can severely damage your hair.
Sila tayo pa itigil, no?
Hindi yan nagbibidyo. Pinagtitipan lang tayo.
Hindi, naka-video.
It doesn't just repair, it reconstructs.
Eh, yun muna, papanoorin nga natin eh.